How to redeem one state RP promo codes. Now in this video I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to redeem the codes, and I will show you as well where you can get them. So before you can go ahead and redeem the codes, you'll have to get them first. So just simply use up any web browser available on your end, and this could be a lead right here. To go here, just simply create a new tab and type in one state RP promo codes. Now you're going to have to see a lot of results here, but the one that you will have to choose is from BlueStacks, which is going to be this one. So if you scroll down from this site, you'll be seeing an instruction on how you can redeem the code, and if you scroll down more, you should be able to get promo codes that is working as of 2026 in here. So to redeem the code, just simply access settings at the top right on in-game, and then from there choose on codes redemption and enter your promo code activation and hit on get. And that's how you redeem codes on One State RP.